What's up guys and welcome back. Today we are going to show you how to add Google Calendar to Notion. First you need to create a free account at Notion and you will see this page. Now go to Google Calendar and as you can see I have some events in my calendar. Now we want to embed this at Notion. The first thing we have to do is go at the calendar you selected and click these three dots. And click Settings and Sharing. And this page, make available to public. Click OK. And now our calendar is public. Now scroll down until you see this public URL to this calendar. Copy this link and go to Notion. Here where you create new blocks, just paste that link. And now after you paste your link, just click Create Embed. And as you can see, Google Calendar is successfully embedded to Notion. You can drag and drop to resize this calendar too. Okay guys, this is all of it. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos.